In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the highest score in Excel. We're going to use a simple formula that quickly identifies the largest number in a set of scores. This is especially useful if you're working with test results, sales totals, performance data, or any list of numbers where you want to know the top value right away. First, open the Excel workbook where you want to find the highest score. Make sure you're on the worksheet that contains the data you want to work with. In this example, the sample scores are already entered in cells A1 through A6, and the actual score range we'll use is A2 through A6. Before entering the formula, take a quick look at your data and confirm that the cells in your range contain numbers. The max function works by scanning the values in the selected range and returning the largest one. So it's important that your score list is correct. Next, click on cell B2. This is where the result will appear. In that cell, type an equals sign, then max, followed by an opening parenthesis. After that, enter the range A2 through A6 and then close the parenthesis. The full formula should read equals max, open parenthesis, A2 colon A6, close parenthesis. Once the formula is entered, press enter on your keyboard. Excel will immediately calculate the highest score from that range and display the result in cell B2. In this example, Excel returns 90. That means 90 is the highest score in the selected list. If you want to use this formula with a different set of values, you can simply replace A2 through A6 with another cell range. For example, if your scores are in a different column or extend farther down the sheet, just update the formula to match that range. You can also find the highest value from specific cells that aren't next to each other by replacing the range with individual cell references separated by commas. That gives you more flexibility when your data isn't arranged in one continuous block. And if you add more scores below A6 later, remember to update the formula so the new values are included. Otherwise, Excel will only evaluate the original range and may miss the true highest score. That's all there is to it. With the max function, finding the highest score in Excel is fast, accurate, and easy to repeat whenever your data changes.